I'm Barbara Corcoran. I'm constantly asked by news sources how to best navigate today's real estate market. I call the brightest agents in the business to get their input. Hi, Alan. What's going on in Winnipeg?
Hey Barbara. Yeah, the market in Winnipeg right now has really picked up.
What are you doing differently?
Sellers love our Guaranteed Sold program, as well as what we're doing with smart marketing. And we're doing a lot of 3D virtual immersive tours.
Get the best advice from my friend Alan Asplin. Go to judylindsay.com. Be safe and smart.